How to increase appetite naturally with these home remedies. The food we eat keeps our tummy full. However, what would you do on days you don't feel like eating anything? That's when the natural appetite stimulants can come to your rescue. Your body needs a basic diet and nutrition to optimally maintain all its processes. In this video, we discuss the reasons for a loss of appetite and how you can keep your digestive fire burning with the help of some home remedies and natural tips and tricks. Read on to know more. Loss of appetite can be temporary or long-term. The leading causes of a poor or absent appetite are emotional distress, depression, hormonal imbalance, breakdown of relationships, debilitating illnesses, eating disorders. Below are some straightforward home cures for boosting appetite in both kids and adults. 1. Coriander and ginger. The most popular appetite stimulant is ginger. For those with a poor appetite, ginger juice is fantastic. Ingestion of a ginger beverage stimulated rats' appetites and encouraged weight growth. Have with you powdered coriander seeds, powdered dried ginger, 10 milliliters of water. Do the following. In a 5-to-1 ratio, combine the powdered coriander seeds and dried ginger to form up to 1 tablespoon total. Heat the water after adding this combination until the water has almost completely evaporated. Remove it from the flame and let it a moment to cool. While the combination is still warm, consume it. Every day, consume this herbal combination. 2. Vitamins that stimulate hunger. B vitamins are frequently used to boost appetite in children, adults, and newborns. They encourage a regular appetite and aid in the release of energy from eating. Poor digestion and poor appetite can result from a B vitamin shortage of any kind. The recommended daily consumption of these vitamins is influenced by a person's age as well as other health issues. To test for any impairments that might be the cause of your lack of appetite, speak with your doctor. B vitamin supplementation is advised to stimulate the appetite if a deficiency is found. 3. Yoga or other appetite-boosting activities. The greatest strategy to recover a lost appetite is to adopt healthy workout routines. You can benefit much from yoga in this regard. To promote digestion and maintain a healthy physique, practice yoga for 30 to 45 minutes each day. 4. Supplements with fish oil. According to studies, both adults and children may experience an increase in hunger while taking fish oil supplements. It lessens bloating as well. Before ingesting these supplements or providing them to kids, it's crucial to speak with your doctor. 5. 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, pure. Lemon juice, half a liter. 0.5 liters of water. 1/3 cup white vinegar. 1/3 cup white vinegar. Do the following. Pure maple syrup and water are heated in a pan. The pan should be taken off the heat and left to cool. Add vinegar and freshly squeezed lemon juice. After thoroughly combining, put the mixture in an airtight container. Drink this combination in 2 tablespoonfuls. Take twice of these every day. 6. Coriander. Since it is believed to relieve dyspepsia, coriander is a common plant in most Indian cuisines. The juice from coriander aids in the release of stomach enzymes, which increases hunger. In trials with rats, coriander extracts stimulated the appetite. To fully grasp the mechanism, more research on humans is necessary. You will require coriander leaves, half a cup water. Do the following. Blend fresh coriander leaves with water to produce fresh coriander juice. On an empty stomach, sip this. Every other morning, repeat this. 7. Tea with fennel. Fennel seeds increase appetite in both adults and children. They encourage the liver's biosynthesis, which aids with digestion. According to studies, fennel seeds can increase rats' drive to eat and their intake of food. You will require fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon. Fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon. Water, 2 to 3 cups. What you should do. Fennel and fenugreek seeds should be briefly boiled. Take this tea with a strainer. Orange juice or honey can be added for flavor. What frequency should you do this? Have this tea once or twice per day. Precaution: before administering this treatment to infants or toddlers, speak with your doctor. 8. Spices. You may feel less hungry if you're bloated or full in the abdomen. In these circumstances, bloating can be reduced and hunger can be increased by using carminative herbs and spices like cinnamon, black pepper, peppermint, thyme, etc. You will require black pepper, peppermint, oregano, cinnamon. What you should do. Add a generous quantity of cinnamon to baked goods or toast with butter. A number of recipes can also benefit from the addition of a blend of herbs like thyme, oregano, black pepper, etc. Do this each day. 9. Seeds of Carom. Indian cuisine frequently uses carom seeds to promote digestion. 1 daily dose of carom or ajwain with lukewarm water will do wonders for your digestive system. In addition to serving as an antacid and anti-flatulent, it aids in the release of digestive enzymes that increase hunger. You will require a 1/4 cup carom seeds. 1 warm cup of water. What you should do. Carom seeds should be consumed with warm water. What frequency should you do this? Once during the day, especially in the morning, perform this.